Buddy, what's up? It's Tuesday, Wednesday. What's today? Wednesday. Alright, so 9:23. I got something I gotta do in like an hour, a little bit more than an hour. So we're gonna see if we can catch a trade. Pretty early in the AM macro. They're all in the same fucking spot. Alright, bias. We took out that daily low. And we're coming back up. Buy side. Let's go down to the 4 hour. So we are in a 4 hour gap, which might get disrespected. Kind of see it getting disrespected. Let me do this. I want. Well, if we're gonna be bullish, we're not coming down here. I'll tell you guys that much. But we have to see. Like we're bouncing from what? Mm. Honestly, buy. You can look for longs up to that level of buy side, and then from there, man, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck bias is, man. We're just in a range, so and we're in the middle of said range. I mean, I think longs are a pretty safe bet. Um, I'm trying to see. Could we potentially manipulate back down? Or just go up? I don't know. Alright, chat. So, news. Alpha Futures had a little sale going on. Um, where? Oh fuck! That's how I just spilled coffee on me. They had a 70. It was like 70. I think I paid $75. $75 for a 50K challenge account with no activation. You could pass it in one day. The only thing is that there is a consistency rule on the fundeds, and I think it's 40%, which I honestly don't even care about. I'm not even gonna lie. Just because the way I trade, like especially in the past, like I don't have, like I only trade a couple micros, so it really doesn't matter for me. But we're gonna try it out. Yeah, one account. I got it yesterday, and we'll see what happens. But this is a challenge account, so we could go in a little bit heavier. I don't want to have my fucking drawings here saved. Like all I want is that. I'm not gonna lie. When I actually pass this, I'll actually go on here and mess with the drawings and shit, so we could be like top step. How do I fucking remove this? Okay. All right, chat. So I'm gonna see you guys when the market opens in a couple minutes. Actually, I'm gonna see you guys if I see a trade. But bias is long. I mean, don't overcomplicate it. We're going up. I like how we're coming out of a higher time frame fair value gap. Like just like we're still holding this 4 hour. So I'm expecting this 4 hour to fucking get inversed. and for us to make our way to these highs. You're the only friend I need. All right, so I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. All right, chat. So I'm in a trade on Apex or Alpha, whatever the fuck it's called. I'm not in anything on Top Step. I'm gonna quickly stop that break even. So this is actually fine. I was in a long. So let me explain it. So we have London Low down there, and I really thought, hey, listen, we're really fucking close to London Low. Are we really not gonna hit it? We saw this inverse, and I was like, all right, this isn't enough for me to enter long. Just a random 1 minute inverse. It's not enough. Like if we took out London Low inside of a higher time frame PD array, like an order block or a fair value gap, I'm taking that because we would also have an SMT because ES is pretty fucking far from London Low. That I'll take. However, we don't have that, and we just kind of got a random 1 minute inverse. I was like, that's not enough for me to enter long. I'm waiting, I'm waiting. We closed above these highs. I'm like, ooh, we come right back down. And I'm like, all right, if we inverse this gap, I'll enter long. So I did on Apex. I took some off uh, right here. No, right here. I took some off right here. I took two off. I went in with, I think, 10. Um, and the rest got stopped out at break even, which is why it's only $100. Anyway, I didn't love it enough to take it on my actual account. Like this, I don't mind trading a little bit riskier because this is a fucking challenge account, trying to pass that shit. But honestly, I'm not gonna lie today. I don't like price action today. I really don't. I don't like shorts anywhere here. I don't. And then we came down to London low, got so close, didn't actually get it, and now we're kind of bouncing around. So I don't really like price, so I'm gonna walk away. I'm not mad at like I'm mad because I'm not trading, but unless you're 9 to 5ing the charts, not trading. Like I swear to God. Like I saw a nice trade yesterday at like fucking 12:22, and it's like who the fuck is watching price, all day to take this? But I'm walking away, chat. I'm gonna see you guys in the afternoon session. I did take one little trade, I just explained it. But I don't really see anything to take on my actual accounts. I was gonna take this long, but I don't know, I didn't like it. It's not high probability. Like it's not a high quality setup. It's not, so I didn't take it. But I'm gonna see you guys in the afternoon session, and we'll see if we can get something then. Duh. Everybody, real quick. So besides that one trade that I took from the futures account, I did not take any other trades. So I took longs. Where did I take longs? Where did I take longs, chat? Where did I take longs? Sa 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 sa. Entered at 10:20. Right here. So I was in longs here, and wow, this is like a perfect V shape right here. And so is this one. That's a nice one too. Damn, where was I? I was in the gym. Anyway, so besides that, I didn't take any other trade. Today was kind of weird. I know a lot of people took shorts right at open, and it like we did manipulate above these highs, wick all the way back down. But like, there's nothing on the 1 minute, so you would have to be trading on the seconds, or you're just entering off of like this candle closure, which you could have. Like I know Justin Werland took this, and I think he got like take profit like, and I think he said a minute. It was honestly kind of insane. But I'm happy with my trade, you know. I honestly am, because I'm not, staring at the charts all day. So, like the price action in the morning, I'm happy with, So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think we have I think it's unemployment claims. Yeah. We have core retail sales and unemployment claims at 8:30, so we will see what happens. I'm just trying to clean up the chart for you. And then I'm gonna log the trade into. I actually have been I've been back testing a little bit. I've only taken like 3 or 4 trades with a couple micros, but I'm gonna start tracking my trades on here just to see how it is. So yes, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, bright and early.